They're within spec, but monitor the hydraulic pressure. Measurement checks out. All right, passing this one through. The surface is clean.
Alignment is confirmed on Sector 4. Initiating automation.
Steel parts arrive from outside as raw materials, are measured, carefully aligned, and welded together. The raw metal slowly begins to transform into a single powerful machine.
Tolerances on these connection points look good.
Yeah, the latest calibration seems to have done the trick. We can move this batch to assembly.
Okay, bring the top beam left, just a fraction. Got it. Is that level? Almost. Hold it there. Secure that brace on the left. Almost there, hold it steady. Watch the weld right here.
Hold the clamp steady, arm 4. Alignment is good, lock it down.
Watch the clearance on the left. Hold it steady right there. Hold it right there. Clear the zone, we're setting the plate now.
While the tank's outer structure is gradually taking shape by workers and machines, countless other components are being produced in parallel. Each component is precisely measured, processed, and prepared long before being attached to the body.
The initial machining stages involve massive cutting and milling machines. Here, the raw steel blocks are...
We need to ensure the internal ribs are aligned before locking them in.
I agree.
The tank's engine is designed for precision, not speed. Each component inside the engine is manufactured separately, tested under extreme conditions, and assembled with full tolerances long before being mounted on the chassis to ensure reliable power.
Check the starboard alignment. Reading steady green. Lowering sequence approved. Lowering now, watch your spacing.
Clear on this side. Alignment looks good.
And hold. Confirm.
We have a fluctuation on auxiliary power.
Adjusting the regulator now.
Reading stable on the multimeter.
Keep it coming, watch that corner. Pulling hard, almost there. All right, hold it. Start the clamps now.
Inside the M1 Abrams, internal wiring is planned well before assembly and power and data are routed through protected pathways, enabling all systems to function as a single integrated system.
Keep it steady, watch the clearance. Almost there, push. Okay, set it down easy.
Verify alignment on seat 4.
Alignment is spot on. Torque check complete.
Temporary supports removed. Ready for signing off.
According to the schematic, this harness route's underneath.
We're still tight on the clearance for the main conduit.
All right, adjust the seat mount forward by 5 millimeters.
Heavy-duty steel torsion bars connect the road wheels to the body. A worker uses a massive hydraulic tool to lock.
Lower it slowly, hold it right there. We need an inch left, just an inch. Mark it, look centered now. All right, it's seated. Start the bolts.
Roger that. Looks solid from this side.
Okay, easy now. Lift it slightly. Got it. Wait, shift left. Clear the welding arm. The alignment on this plate looks good, within tolerance.
Yep, the caliper confirms it. We can move on.
As the tracks are installed, the tank finally gains its ability to move, transforming the structure into a machine designed to carry immense weight across any terrain.
Check the alignment on these last 3 segments. We need a perfect run before we mount the drive sprocket.
Looks good, boss.
How is the cross support looking?
Needs adjustment on the right side. Use the wrench slowly.
Like this?
Perfect, lock it down.
Ensure the alignment is precise before riveting the bracket.
It's secure. Tolerances are good.
The caliper reading is within tolerance.
Uploading the data to the central system now.
All right, hold it steady right there. I'm starting to wrench. Got it steady, go ahead. Check the clearance on Module 7.
It's within tolerance, but the interface alignment is off by 2 millimeters.
All right, note that for the next adjustment phase.
The track alignment looks precise on this unit.
Yes, the sensor readings are well within tolerance.
After final assembly is complete, the tank is thoroughly washed, removing manufacturing residue and revealing the finished structure before final inspection.
Watch the hose, careful on the ladder. Got it. Need more pressure over here.
Keep it steady, bring it down 5 degrees.
Confirmed. Moving to position 3.
Clear on the left, approaching checkpoint.
After being thoroughly cleaned, the tank is painted to protect its surface, then loaded onto rail transport for delivery to its destination.
A little further back. All right, set the brake. Securing the front binders now.
Confirmed alignment. Lowering sequence initiated. All green. Ensure the chains on the third car double checked.
Roger that. Checking now.
Manifest confirms 40 tanks loaded.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.